Grab your yoga mats. Let's get our yoga on. Bring yourself to a seated position. Legs crossed, eyes closed. Take a moment to find comfort. Once you find comfort, find stillness. Bring your hands to your thighs, or bring your palms to your laps. Sit up tall with purpose. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Begin to deepen your inhales and your exhales. When you're ready, take 5 inhales in your nose, 5 exhales out your mouth. When you're ready, shift your weight forward. Bring your hands to the mat, preparing for child's pose. Bring your big toes to touch. Bring your knees out wide. Sink your hips towards your heels. Walk your palms out in front of you. And relax your forehead towards the mat. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking the time to invest in yourself. Take a big inhale in your nose. Big exhale out your mouth. Let something go. One more time. Big inhale. Big exhale out your mouth. Let it go. On your next inhale, bring yourself to a tabletop position. Palms stacked underneath your shoulders, knees stacked underneath your hips. Bring your belly button towards your spine. Inhale, cow pose. Bring your gaze to the sky. Sink your belly towards the mat. Open up in your chest. Exhale, cat pose. Bring your gaze to your belly button. Round your spine as you push your mat away. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Continue flowing through cat and cow on your own. Linking your breath to movement. Find any happy, organic movement that feels good to you. Bring yourself to a still tabletop position. Extend your left leg towards the back of your mat. Extend your right palm towards the front of your mat. Engage your core, square your hips and shoulders. Exhale, bring your elbow to your knee, round your spine. Make the connection. Inhale, expand. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, expand. Exhale, elbow to knee. One more time. Inhale, expand. Exhale, elbow to knee. Gently release your palm and knee back to the mat. Extend your left arm out in front of you. Extend your right leg towards the back of your mat. Engage your core. Square your hips and shoulders. Your next exhale, elbow to knee. Round your spine. Inhale, expand. Engage your core. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, expand. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, expand. Exhale, elbow to knee. Gently bring your palm and knee back to the mat. Walk your palms out in front of you. Tuck your toes, press your palms evenly into the mat. Send your hips high. Downward facing dog. Spread your fingertips wide. Ground down through the L's of your palm, your pointer finger and thumb knuckle. Find length in your spine as you send your hips a little bit higher. Engage your core. Long inhales, long exhales. Option to bend one knee at a time, slowly awakening our hamstrings and lower back. Bring yourself to a still downward dog. Inhale your gaze to the top of your mat. Exhale, walk your feet behind your wrists, preparing for ragdoll. Place a generous bend in your knees. Bring your chest towards your thighs. Allow for your head to be heavy. Grab for opposite elbows. Option to hang out right here like this. Or option to gently sway your torso from side to side. You can bend one knee and straighten the other and back and forth if that feels good. Bring yourself to a still ragdoll. Gently release your palms to the mat. Straighten your right knee, bend in your left knee. Inhale your right palm high. Exhale, twist. Inhale, find length. Exhale, twist. Continue to breathe. Inhale your palm back to the mat, switch it out. Straighten your left knee, bend in your right knee. Inhale your left palm high. Exhale, twist. Inhale, find length. Exhale, twist. Inhale your palm back to the mat, forward fold. Heel toe your feet to touch with a slight gap in between your heels. Bend in your knees, bring your chest towards your thighs, allow for your head to be heavy. And slowly roll up one vertebra at a time. You make your way up to the top, shrug your shoulders up, shrug your shoulders down. Inhale, mountain pose, arms up high. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, mountain pose, arms up high. Exhale, hands to heart center. One more time. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, hands to heart center. Close your eyes. Ground down through your feet. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Inhale in your nose. Exhale out your nose. Take a moment to look inside, to set your own personal intention and or dedication for practice. Inhale in your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Inhale strength. Exhale all the weakness. Bring your hands by your side. Inhale, mountain pose, arms up high. Ground down through your feet. Lift up in your knees. Find length in your side. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Grab your left wrist. Inhale, lift a little higher. Exhale, gentle hinge to your right. Stay grounded through your feet. Breathe into your left side body. Set your gaze. Long inhales, long exhales. Breathe into the tension. Inhale back to center. Grab for your right palm. Exhale, hinge to the left. Ground down through your feet. Breathe into your right side body. Set your gaze. Long inhales, long exhales. Inhale back to center. Release your palms. Exhale, gentle back bend. Gaze to the sky. Ground down through your feet. Gently send your hips forward. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. There's a generous bend in your knees, chest towards your thighs. Let your head be heavy. Inhale, halfway lift. Bring your palms to your shins. Find length in your spine. Bring your shoulder blades to touch. Shift your weight forward into your toes. Bring your hands to the mat, squat and curl. Lift your heels off the mat, bring your forehead to your knees, round your spine. Continue to breathe. Going to flow through Sun A 2 more times, linking our breath to movement. Inhale, mountain pose. Release your heels to the mat, arms up high. Grab for your left wrist. Exhale, hinge to the right. Inhale, back to center. Grab for your right wrist. Exhale, hinge to the left. Inhale, back to center. Release your palms. Exhale, gentle back bend. Gaze to the sky. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and curl. Inhale, mountain pose. Grab for your left wrist. Exhale, gentle hinge to your right. Inhale, center. Grab for your right wrist. Exhale, gentle hinge to your left. Inhale back to center, release your palms. Exhale, gentle back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and curl. Inhale, mountain pose. Release your heels to the mat, arms up high. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Set your gaze. Focus on a non-movement object. Bring the sole of your right foot to the inside of your left calf or left thigh, avoiding putting pressure on the left knee. Actively bring your right knee towards the back of your mat, opening up your hip. Continue to breathe. Gently release your heel back to the mat. Prepare for tree on the opposite side. Bring the sole of your left foot to the inside of your right calf or right thigh, avoiding any pressure on the right knee. Actively bring your left knee towards the back of your mat, opening up your hips. Continue to breathe. Gently release your foot back to the mat. Bring your hands by your side, shake it out. Inhale, mountain pose, preparing for dancer's pose. Bring your right elbow in tight, palm up like a waiter. Grab for the inner arch of your right foot. Set your gaze. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, kick into your palm. Continue to breathe. On your next exhale, gently release your foot back to the mat. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, dancers on your left. Bring your left elbow in tight, palm up. Set your gaze and grab for the inner arch of your left foot. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, kick into your palm. Continue to breathe. Gently release your foot back to the mat. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, bring your palms towards the back of your mat. Lean forward, balancing on your left foot. Do your best to make a T with your body. Square your hips and shoulders with your mat. Flex your right toes towards your face. Option to bring your hands to heart center. Keep your gaze. Find your breath. Slowly come back to standing. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, bring your hands towards the back of your mat. Balance on your right foot, shift your weight forward. Bring your left foot towards the back of your mat, flex your toes towards your body. Set your gaze, focus on your breathing. Do your best to make a T with your body. Wherever you're at is exactly where you need to be. Slowly come back to standing. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, gentle back bend. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and curl. Bring your hands to the mat, step your feet back. We'll meet in downward facing dog. Preparing for our warrior series. Inhale your right foot high. Hold it here, continue to breathe. Flex your toes towards your body. Square your hips with your mat. Engage your core. Exhale, step through your palms, low lunge. Spin your back heel to the mat. Find your heel to heel alignment. Inhale, warrior two. 90-degree bend in your front knee. You may need to walk your foot a little bit further towards the front of your mat. Arms out wide. Gaze over your fingertips. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, extended side angle. Rotate your arms 6 to 12. Keep the 90-degree bend in your front knee. Ground down through your front heel. Pressing the knife edge of your back foot. Find length in your spine. Continue to breathe. On your next inhale, reverse warrior. Bring your left palm to the sky. Keep the 90-degree bend in your front knee. Little to no weight in your back palm or half bind. Half bind is to bring the top of your left palm to the outside of your right hip. Stay grounded through your front heel for balance. Continue to breathe. Inhale, lift a little higher. Exhale, windmill your hands to the mat. Downward facing dog. Inhale your left leg high. Hold it here, continue to breathe. Flex your toes towards your body. Square your hips and shoulders. Engage your core. Your next exhale, step through your palms, low lunge. Spin your back heel to the mat, 90-degree bend in your front knee, wide stance. Exhale, warrior two, arms out wide. Gaze over your fingertips. Torso stacked over your hips. Continue to breathe. Inhale, lean forward. Exhale, extended side angle. Rotate your arms 6 to 12. 90-degree bend in your front knee. Ground down through your front heel. Find length in your spine. Continue to breathe. Inhale, reverse warrior. Keep the 90-degree bend in your front knee. Left palm to the sky. Little to no weight in your back palm. Or half bind. Stay grounded through your front heel for balance. Keep your breath flowing. Inhale, lift a little higher. Exhale, windmill your hands to the mat. Downward facing dog. We're going to flow through Sun B. One more time, linking our breath to movement. Inhale your right leg high. Exhale, step through your palms, low lunge. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse warrior. Keep the 90-degree bend in your front knee. Exhale, windmill your hands to the mat. Downward facing dog. Inhale your left leg high. Exhale, step through your palms, low lunge. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, windmill your hands to the mat. Downward facing dog. Come on down to your knees. Swing your legs around to one side. Come to laying on your back, preparing for bridge pose. Today we're going to do 2 rounds of bridge. Bring your feet hip width distance apart. Bring your heels as close as you can to your glutes. On your next exhale, press your heels into the mat, send your hips high. Continue to breathe, engage your core, stay grounded through your heels. On your next exhale, slowly release your hips back to the mat. Our second round. Exhale, press your heels into the mat, send your hips high. Engage your core. Continue to breathe. Slowly with control, gently bring your hips back to the mat. Bring your knees into your chest. Bring your forehead to your knees. Rock yourself back and forth, all the way up to a seated position, preparing for seated forward fold. Extend your legs out in front of you. Place a generous bend in your knees. Inhale your arms up high. Exhale, grab for your toes, your ankles, or your calves. Release. Inhale yourself up. Exhale slowly with control. Come all the way back down to your mat. Bring your knees into your chest. Send your left leg long. Bring your right knee into your side body. Give it a squeeze. Inhale. Exhale, supine twist. Guide your right knee to your left side. Gaze to the right. Both shoulder blades on the mat. Inhale your knees back into your chest. Give yourself a squeeze to realign your spine. Send your right leg long. Bring your left knee into your side body. Give it a squeeze. Inhale. Exhale, supine twist. Guide your left knee to your right side. Gaze to the left. Let your left knee just hang freely. Continue to breathe. Inhale your knees back into your chest. Give yourself a squeeze. Preparing for happy baby pose. Grab the inside or the outside of your feet. Bring your knees into your side body. You can hang out right here like this, or option to rock yourself from side to side, extending one leg long and back and forth. Release your feet. Bring your knees back into your chest one last time. Give yourself a big old hug. Show yourself some big old love. Then gently release to Shavasana. Close your eyes. Take up space. Once you find comfort, find stillness. Allow for your body to be heavy. Relax your jaw. Relax your tongue away from the top of your mouth. Release the pressure between your eyebrows. And relax your eyes to the back of your head. This is your time to relax. When you find your mind start to wander, bring your awareness back to your breath, back to the present moment where you're safe, happy, and healthy. Inhale in your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Gently begin to bring movement back to your body. When you're ready, roll to your right side. And take a moment to feel the effects of your yoga practice. Feel the strength and power you've accumulated, preparing you for whatever's in front of you. When you're ready, gently push yourself up to a seated position, legs crossed, eyes closed, Hands at heart center. Sit up tall with purpose. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Inhale in your nose. Hold your breath at the top. Exhale, let it go. Bow forward to seal in our practice. Namaste. Please like, subscribe, and share. Chad Roman Yoga, you only gonna advance.